Yes guys, super morning, good morning from this side. I'm greeting you guys from this side. Good morning. Actually guys, now is morning from East Africa, Kenya. Look, now is morning. Let me tell you the time. The time is 6:43 a.m. Wherever you are, welcome to this amazing channel. My good name is Giteriba. Actually guys, now is morning from East Africa, Kenya. Now I am wake up good with our family. I really appreciate you guys and thank God for giving me energy and for protect us at night. Thank you God. And also guys, I hope you are doing well. I hope you are sleeping well. I hope you are wake up well wherever you watch this video. Now is morning from this side, from Giteriba's home. Maybe can say from our village here. Guys, we are wake up very amazing. So now I want to take our toothbrush from our sink over there. Yes, and after there I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. Thank you guys. Even the first time watching this video guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video, take me to 10k subscriber, and I really appreciate guys. I really appreciate. So nowadays I have the water from our tank. You can see, look, a lot of water guys. So guys, I'm washing my face. So here I want to escorting Ben to the school fun. Ben. So guys, I'm washing my face, and also have your water. Look, you see. Yes guys, I'm trying to send Ben to school bus over there. Kimbia tuende Ben. Why? Kimbia tuende. Gari ndo ile. Kimbia bus. So here I'm here with Ben. So I'm escorting him to the bus. Why tuende? Kimbia tuende. So the bus is over there. Why Ben? Why? Kimbia bus. So Ben, you have two uniform. This is the track suit, and also you have the another uniform. Why don't Kimbia? Kimbia means learn. Learn, Ben. Wow. I'm sending him to the school fun. I am sending Ben to the school fun. Kimbia baba, kimbia. The school fun is over there. Why? Hi. Kita apa ini? Ada. Dere poa sana ta. Mwe mkaje? Buya tata. Tucherero lero. Aya pola. Aya. Yes. This is the school fun. then school fund over there. All right, so after here we are going to the Ayamaro to continue our work, guys. Also have the heavy jacket here because it's morning. Yeah, because it's morning from this place. Yes, guys, I'm chilling here. So you have the amazing sun. Look, now it's morning from East Africa, Kenya. The time, let me see the time. The time is 2:29 a.m. 2:29 a.m. from this place. So here we are, and also I want to go into Ayamaro Villa Medellin to continue our work from over there. So we are here at our compound, guys. Look at our compound. You can see this the stone. So I'm sitting here, so to take the sun, the morning sun. And also after here, I'm heading to Ayamaro Villa Medellin to continue our work over there. Sabi, you are ready? Uko ready?
I'm ready, I'm waiting you.
Okay, so here we are, and also here we go to continue our work from there. So I was waiting Masabi, and also Masabi is ready to go. So let us go there, guys. So after reaching there, we are going to show you which work we are going to do over there, guys. Unasemaje? Yeah. Oh, let me see car over there. Kidogo tu Msabi nakuja. Alright, guys, so still enjoy this amazing vlog from my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video to your friends. Take me to 10K. Subscribe, and I really appreciate. Yes. Unasemaje karo? Oh, ni Msabi. Oh, so after car is trying to clean the clothes here. Alright, so we have the water from our tank. Also, Mr. John is here trying to repairing the something here.
Yeah.
Okay. Hii umbo ni ya nani Msabi? Wow. Okay, let's go. Here Msabi trying to bring the ball. Yeah. Also, guys, I remember the time I was a kid. Not a kid. The time I was a young boy, I was a good footballer. Yes, I was playing the football at clubs. So I was have the club from our village there. I was going to the far to play the ball. So I was playing the midfield. 10-8. That's our number. I was playing that number. 10 all number 8. So that's our number. So I was playing the midfield there. Yes. I remember the school from our village there was came to pick me to go to play the sports. Yeah. So I was very good player. Okay, guys, this is our road. So we are heading to Ayamaro Villa. And also, guys, did the season planting. You can see everybody preparing the land. Yes, I'm all the farmer. It's called land all farm. Like this one, it's the farmer or land.
The farm is the person who is planting.
Or the farmer is the person who planting. And the land is the land. The land is the plot. Okay. So guys, look here, everybody trying to preparing the land. Look here. So wow, now is the season planting, guys. Yes. And also remember, I was told you the lane is blazing from our village here. Our village, even learning. Many people planting, harvesting sand, harvesting many things, guys. Yes. All right, we are here at Villa Medellin. So maybe you can call Mary to open the gate. To open, yes.
Mary.
All right, Uncle is not around. Uncle is going over there to pick something. So that's why you're trying to shouting Mary to open the gate. Yes, guys. So still enjoy this amazing vlog from Gitiriba YouTube channel. We are here at Ayamaro Villa. You can see now. Am I here? We are here at Ayamaro Villa, and also I see Musab, you have something here. Yes. What this is the head of the small fish. Yes. It's called sardine. So yes. I want to give the birds. Yes. Pigeons. So and also this, you can see your face from this place. Look. Let us waiting, guys. Made to open the gate. Then we want to go inside to continue our work, guys, to make sure everything is going very amazing. Yes. So we are here at Ayamaro Villa. Pick up yourself, Maro, wherever you are. Big shout out to you, man. I appreciate for support us, for inspire us, and through you guys, I appreciate for support Ayamaro. Yes. Okay. Yes, guys. So through you, thank you for your support, my boss Ayamaro, and also thank you for supporting us. I appreciate, guys. I appreciate for take us from 0 point to this amazing point, and also I appreciate for supporting my boss Ayamaro from 0 point to this amazing point, guys. Thank you, Geno Team Maro, and thank you, Geno Team Gitiriba. We are together all the time, guys. We are together all the time. So we are here at Ayamaro place. Let us continue our work. Before going to the digging there, so I want to mixing some food here. So after there, we are going to show you guys which food we are going to mix, guys. All right. So still enjoy, guys. Guys, welcome back again to this vlog. My good name is Gitiriba. My YouTube channel is Gitiriba. I am here at Ayamaro Villa, Medellin. So guys, we came here to continue our work. So I want to remove these things from here to protecting these trees very amazing, because we are going to digging down here to make sure everything is going very fantastic, to make sure everything is going very amazing. And also, guys, the birds here is a lot of birds. Look here. Look. You can see the voice. A lot of birds here, guys. Look. Wow, from this place. Hey, this is the blessing, guys. This is the blessing. This is the blessing, guys. This is the blessing. Blessing. This is the blessing, guys. So we are here, guys, to make sure everything is going to be very amazing. So, and also we are here to protecting these trees, to preparing amazing, to digging amazing, to preparing very fantastic, guys. So kindly watch this and till the end. You can enjoy this vlog from Ayamaro Villa, Medellin, guys. We are here, and I am here at Ayamaro Villa. Hey, look at this bird. What? Even you go closer, it's trying to relaxing. Look. Look at this bird. All right, so still enjoy and watch until the end. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take me to 10K subscribers, guys. So I'm going to today we are going to protecting this, and also you have another one here. This is the coconuts. Yes, this is the coconuts, and also this is the flute trees. Look at that one. That one is the fruit trees. So we are starting with the smallest trees. We are starting with the smallest trees, and after finishing the smallest, so we are going to bigger one, to digging bigger one. Like another one here. This is another coconut. Yes, this is another coconut, guys. So here we are. Okay. Wasabi, how's everything? Are you ready?
I'm ready for the job today.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Inside. Hii ni mwiba. Shika vizuri. Itakurarua sana. Pode então. Yes guys, we are going to protecting this place very amazing. After digging here, we are going to preparing this post to come very amazing, to come standby, to come very fantastic. Look, so after finishing to preparing here, we are going to make sure guys it is standing very well. Yes, we have a lot of trees here guys. All right, starting to work at this place Ayamaro, Villa Medellin. So let me put here my camera. Wow. we are finishing this. Look how we protecting these trees. I was digging very amazing. Look, I was digging very amazing. Look here. So even the laning, you can getting the lane from here. You can stand here like some minutes, then you go down. Yes, so and also look how we're doing this place. I was digging very amazing. So here we're remaining this only this post. So we are going to, after finishing to digging, we are going to protecting this tree, this post. Very amazing because of protecting these coconuts. And also remember, from here we have the animals. Even we ignore to protecting this tree, the animals, maybe horses, you can come here and to cut to eat. So it's good to protecting came very amazing. All right guys, so we are finishing this. So let us go into another trees to show you guys, to show you how we digging, how we protecting these trees from Ayamaro Villa Medellin. And also I will show you this place is the blessing place. You can see the birds from this place. A lot of birds here. All right guys, so this is the beautiful place and the blessing place. All right, so here we are, here we go. Yeah, and also look here, this another trees. Look how Mosabi protecting these. Very amazing and very fantastic. And remember, this is the big trees. These are not small trees. So is look how Mosabi trying to preparing this place. Look, very fantastic and very amazing. All right guys, so we are here still to make sure everything is going very amazing. Let us guys continue the work, and also guys, we are going to share with you many things from Ayamaro Villa Medellin. All right, and also hey, I see there mom and the baby is eating glasses. Look here, let me show you something. Look here, this is baby and the mom. Look here, it's grazing here. Look, wow, mom and the babies over there. Look, okay. All right guys, so let us continue our work, and we are going to show you guys how we working at this place. So remember, we are here at Ayamaro Villa Medellin. So look, another one here. This is another one, trees. We are going over there to digging that one. Yeah. Now we are going to protecting this guys. Digging this tree is the fruits. This is the fruit trees. This one. This is the fruit trees. So we are going to prepare this, and also we have another coconut here. We are going to preparing this one, another one here, coconuts. So we are going to show you guys how we working. So let us show you. Hey, there's something here. Catch my clothes. Okay, let me remove this. very fantastic, very amazing. Look. I remember I was told you guys this is the flutes. This is the flute trees. This one, it's very sweet, very sweet. So look how we protecting these guys. So and next is this one. So next is this one. I'm going to remove these glasses from here to make sure that tree is staying alone over there, and is growing very well. So kindly watch this and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Share my video to your friends. Take me to 10k subscriber, and I really appreciate, guys. We are working, so look, now we are finishing this. Look how we finishing this, and also this is the coconut. Also I was digging here. Remember this coconut have a lot of glasses here, so I'm removing all of the glasses to give this coconut the space to growing very amazing. So and also I came here with the, I'm going to take the panga to remove these leaves, this one to remove, because even removing this this tree, it can growing very well, and it can growing very faster. So I'm going to remove this one, guys. I'm going to remove with the panga. All right, so I think now here is okay, and it's very fantastic. It is very amazing. All right, so let me go another step to share with you amazing, guys. So I was finishing this one. So even you see this now is very amazing protecting here. You can see this ground. You have this the post. We're taking around of these two trees here, two trees here. So you can see now is very amazing, guys. So let me go to another step. All right, remember this, the glasses I was removing from that place. Yes, so I was removing a lot of glasses from that place, from that trees. That is the coconut trees, and another one here, glasses here. Look, this is the glasses I was removing from there, guys. Now that tree is alone. Now it can growing very fantastic, very amazing. So protecting is very high. You can see this is the protecting from this place. Look, these trees, this post. Look, this post. This protecting of that trees, two trees, because of the animals. So even want to reach there, it's not easy to reach there. So that's why I was protecting these trees like that one, guys. So kindly still enjoy, guys. See, enjoy. And also I see here our breakfast. So this is our breakfast here. This is the porridge. This is the porridge we are going to drink with the mosabi. All right, yes, guys. So let us drink first, and after here we are going to show you, guys. All right, still enjoy. Yes, guys, we are here. We are drinking the porridge. Look, this is the porridge, brown porridge, and also mosabi we have there. So it's the time to eat breakfast. Then after there we are going to continue our work. Yes, it still is morning. Still is morning from Africa, East Africa, Kenya. So still is morning. How is the time? How is the time? Oh, 10:02 a.m. That's our time now from this place. So now is still morning. So let us working. Yes, guys. So we are here to share with you guys main things from this village. Yes, kindly watch until the end. Enjoy this amazing vlog. This is the unique video from this place. Watch and subscribe, share to your friends. Take me to 10k subscriber, and I really appreciate, guys. Yes, still is morning from Ayamaro, Villa Medellin. Not Ayamaro, Villa Medellin. Still morning from East Africa, Kenya. Exactly. Alright. English, guys, is not water, and English is not our language. So we are trying to talk. Exactly. I hope, guys, you understanding me very well. Because yeah, my English is broken English, but I think you getting me well. Yes. Okay, guys, after finishing this, we are going to share with you how the work is going. Yes, so we are finishing to drinking our breakfast. So let us continue our work. And also here, Masabi here, we trying to digging here to make sure this tree is game very amazing, and to have amazing space to growing very well. And also we are going to add another one, half cast, because of this. Even you see these trees, this is the horse. I think this is the horses cutting here. Yes, but this tree is called palma. This is called palma trees. Yeah, this is called palma trees. So guys, after a few minutes, we are going to show you guys how the work is going. How the work is going, guys. So let us still working, and after finishing, guys, we will share with you how the work is going, guys. Still enjoy. Yes, guys. So now look here. Look how we protecting this coconut. Although this is the another coconut. Look here. This is another coconut. Look. You see? Very amazing. Wow. Look here. So how we are protecting, how I was protecting these amazing trees called the coconut. All right. So look how this coconut is growing. Look. You see? Look. Very fantastic. All right, guys. The work of today we are done. So now we are going to relax. Before we go, guys, let me show you how we working. So I was working here. I was working at these trees, protecting these trees. Look like this one here. Look like that one here. Look there. This is the horses. Wow, it's eating the glasses I was removing from here. So look how we protecting these trees. Yes, and tomorrow is another day. So look another one. This is the coconuts. Look another one here. Let me show you. This is the palma trees. Look. We are preparing a lot of trees. A lot of trees. Look another one here. This is the coconut again. So we are working at preparing a lot of trees, and also tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is another day, guys. So today, the work of today is the end. So let us go into the rabbit, to feeding the rabbit. After there we are going to our home there to show you something there, guys. So after there I'm going to still enjoy this video. All right, so we want here to feeding this rabbit here, because you don't have the food. No, have the food, but yes, have the food, but it's not good food. So I want to remove this, and also to washing this room, this house, and also we are going to put another amazing food, guys. So let us moving this. Yo, go there. So you're going to collecting this. To move. Go over there. Putting here. We're going to collecting this from here to go down there, to put it down there. All right. So let us. Where's the fagium, Sabi? Yes. Don't have the food. I'm going to feeding you the food. Don't worry. This is the rabbit from Villa here. All right. So still enjoy this vlog, guys. Let me add another water. I think it's okay. Don't check ni washe hii. Ni washe hii mfuko. Tuilete chakula. Yes, guys, I'm trying to cleaning this because I was mkojo unaitwa aje?
Mkojo urine.
Urine?
Yes.
Urine?
Yes.
Oh, the rabbit was urine this thing, so I'm trying to washing the sack, and also we was washing this place with the Masabi. So let us going to take the food from the garden kitchen there. I came to give the rabbit, and after there we are going to see another place to take a lot of food, because of special for our rabbits here, guys. So here we are, and here we go to the garden kitchen. I don't know if the rabbit eating this one.
Yeah, you don't eat them teacher.
Eh, them teacher not eat.
They like to
Skuma,
and potato pine.
sweet potatoes. Fence.
And the other one I told you in your language.
Which one? I'm forgetting.
I forget which you call.
It's called what? It's called in.
I'm forgetting.
We are forgetting, guys. So don't worry. Yeah, so here we are going there to see the food for rabbits. Yes, and after that we're going to see another food from outside. Yes, so a lot of food. So here I want to take the emergency food. All right, guys. Yes, guys, we are taking out the food. This is like the emergency food. So after here we are going to outside to search another food, to take another food for rabbits. So I'm removing this like this is not good for people, so that's why I'm taking this. I'm taking bad. So remember I told you guys we came here to see the food. This is like the emergency food. After here you are going outside to see another food to came to give the rabbits. Tunaenda na zile miwa. Tunaenda na zile miwa. Hamnaona aje? Sawa. Twende. Put some sub, you have another one there. So guys, I changing it's called
The sack.
The sack.
Sack.
So I'm changing the sack because of this one is not it's called it warm.
It's dirty and
not warm. It's not
dry.
Not dry.
Wet.
It's wet.
Yes,
So that's
it's
why
wet.
I'm taking this. Move. We have where the skuma week. This is the kale. So look now how the rabbit eating. Look, you see, eating very well. So we are going to another outside to take another food to came to give this rabbit. This is our rabbit, guys, and also I remember my boss Ayamaro gave me 2 rabbits. Yeah, so we are here to protecting this rabbit now. They're growing very well. So look how we rabbit eating, guys. Look, every kwanja. Okay, after there let me take the water. Putting the water. This is the water. Look, cleaning water. So I'm putting here. So I'm putting there. Look. Yes. And also have another one here. I want to put inside here. So I'm going to take another water. Okay. Okay, I do let them again. Go to came with another one. So I'm washing. After there, We are going to put water and also to putting another side over there. So let me wait inside to came with the another water. All right, guys. Exactly. Also this one I'm going to put in here there. Let me show you guys. Exactly. So look how I putting another water. Also we have another water over there. So this is the kales. So this lad do liking the kales too much. Liking the kales too much. Yes, it's a lot, but it's not a lot, it's not enough. We are going to take another food from outside there. All right, so still enjoy this amazing video, and also rabbit enjoy this food. So I'm going to come with another food, so just enjoy. Exactly. All right, so let's guys go to another place to continue this video, and also we are going to take another food to come to feast to feeding this rabbit. All right, guys. Yes, guys, finally I'm here at our home after finishing the work from Ayamaro. So we are here. I'm trying to put in our water, watching shower water, because I have the water from this side. I have the water from this side. Look, this is our bathroom. I have the water. You can see. But you know why I take it from out there? So I want to put it on this from the sun. At least now it's very cold. This water is very cold, so I want to put in the water here like 1 hour to take the sun to come like warm. Then after there I'm going to put in our bathroom, then taking the shower, guys. Yes, exactly. And also, before I don't forget this, I want to share with you this. Also, I want to painting this our door painting, because you know even the lining this door he changing the color, and even you can see here, look here is different color, and also down here is a different color. You see, look down here is different color because of the raining. After the time raining is raining the door. So painting is very amazing. Painting is protecting the door. It cannot rusting. Yes, so this door can rusting, and also yeah, it can lasting actually. So that's why I want to painting this our door. These 3 doors. I have 3 doors from this place. So I'm going to painting this door, guys. All right, so still enjoy, and I still watch this and till the end, guys. And another side here, this is our kitchen. This our kitchen here. Caro is trying to keep cooking ugari. Look Africa, how we cooking ugari, guys. You can see from another side there, you can see the fire from inside. Look. Yes, exactly. It's almost to lunch time. That's why Caro is cooking the ugari. Yes, she cooking ugari over there. All right, and also I want to go to our garden kitchen to planting something there, some sugars. So still watch these, guys. Guys, I want to dig in here the hole to put in the sugar. So I want to plant in here the sugar cane. So I want to put here the sugar cane, to planting here the sugar cane. Hii masoko iko ngapi?
Masonga. Mitungi ziko kama 6 7.
6
Hapo hivi.
So maybe I can put in ama hapo ni kwa ndizi.
Ungepanda hapa katikati hivi.
Hapa hivi.
Juu hapa hii sukuma iko sawa. Hapa hivi.
Hapa.
Pandisha. Tokor kama kataro rafu tukarali seiga. Urusha mara paka yeye. Hivyo.
Ama hapa hii sehemu ni kafu.
Itawekewa manyo. Manyo ya ng'ombe.
Guys, we are preparing something here. I want to plant here the sugar cane. Yes. So, and also this is our garden kitchen. So now at least the learning, at least our kales, we can growing amazing. So look, so we want to plant this. Look how we planting, guys. Look, I don't know. Put it like this, Masari.
This one.
Come with the one. Exactly. So we are trying to plant.
In front here.
Where?
The space.
Because of the space.
This space, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What do you suggest?
Maybe. Masabi, maybe. How do you see, Masabi? Maybe we can plant from another side down there.
Okay.
Hmm?
So,
Yeah. So guys, we're trying to plant with the sugar cane. After few months, we can have the sugar from our home. It's okay, Masabi. It's okay. Ama si hivyo wanapanda, Masabi. So now look.
sasa hivyo unapanda mingi.
Exactly. So now we are planting here the sugar. So you are waiting. After a few days, you can see the suckers, and also you can see the view, amazing view about the suckers from the sugar cane. Alright guys, so let me end this from here. Say thank you a lot. Msabi, yes. How was the work?
The work is good.
Yes.
You have been working there, the Ayamaro site. Right now you have come to conclude here. So I think it is high time to say goodbye. For those who are subscribing our channel, go there, subscribe to Kitiriba.
Yes.
Share, like. It was a good guy.
Thank you, Msabi. Yes guys, share, subscribe my video. And also guys, watch until the end, and I'll appreciate my Rafri family wherever you are. And guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my video, and until the end guys, see you next video. Bye bye guys.